Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just want to mention this really quick, and I probably won't mention it again because I really don't want to like dwell on it and stuff. I know there's a lot of stuff going on right now. I know all of us are super stressed, and if you're like me and have really bad anxiety, I'm sure your anxiety is through the roof like mine has been the last, I don't even know, like the last week. I'm gonna say, I know that coming to YouTube and stuff is like really an escape for me. Filming is my escape from like my anxiety, and I'm sure a lot of you guys come to watch videos just to kind of like forget things for just a little while, just for like that half an hour or whatever, however long you're on YouTube. So that's what I want to be for you guys right now, because right now, trust me, my anxiety is literally like I'm a mess right now. Just wanted to like sit down these next couple days because I'm probably just gonna be at home. I'm not gonna be doing anything. So I'm just gonna be filming. You guys stay safe out there, wash your hands, be careful please. I know right now it's kind of just like crazy. So yeah. Anyways, I'm sending you guys a lot of love, a lot of positivity. Guys, enough of that. Like I said, I don't want to dwell on it because I don't want to keep bringing it up. I'm sure you guys are hearing it all day long. So, anyways, today we're going to be doing my March Boxycharm unboxing. This month's actually looks pretty promising. You guys know I haven't really had the best of luck the last couple Boxycharms, so I have my box right here. This is just the regular box, by the way. This isn't like the premium or like the Fenty one. I know there was a Fenty one this month. I didn't pick it up because I think I have everything in the box. So this month's theme is edgy, I believe. Pretty edgy. There's a little card for it. And this month's box is pretty big, I'm assuming just because of the products in here. So I'm going to talk about the products that I probably won't be using at the moment because they're like skincare-ish products. But the first product in here, I'm so excited that it's in the box because this is actually one of my favorite products ever. This is the Pharmacy Berry Cherry Clean cleansing balm. I use this every single day, and this is like a limited edition scent. We have the Green Clean, which is their normal one that they have all the time. But the Berry Cherry Clean one is like a limited edition one, and I love this one so much. I have backups, so just in case if it ever does get discontinued, I have a bunch of them because I love this one so much. It smells so good, and this literally removes all my makeup all the time. If you guys haven't tried the Pharmacy Cleansing Balm, it's so good. It's literally my favorite thing to remove my makeup with. I've talked about this in my skincare routines. I've talked about this in favorites videos. This is it, you guys. I love this. So I'm so excited that this was in the box. I'm gonna put this in aside for like my backups because I go through these a lot. So this retails for, oh weird, I think my card was different for a different box because this is not on there, but I think this is on the screen. I'll look it up later on. Next thing in the box is the Spongel French Lavender Body Wash Infused Buffer. This is what the little box looks like. This retails for $16. I actually have used the Spongel body buffer things like this before. So basically it's like a little buffer scrubby thing that you use in the shower. It's infused with like soap and stuff, and this one smells so good. It smells like lavender. It says it's a unique body wash infused buffer that changes instantly underwater as you squeeze. Sensual exfoliating massage texture to as soft as silk. This will work up to 14 or more washes. I have used these before, like I said, and I do like them. They have really good scents too. This one smells really good. And yeah, it starts off like kind of like scrubby, and then once you wet it more, it really just becomes like something really soft. So I'm really excited to get this in the box as well. Getting into stuff that I will be using in the video. This is the very exciting as well. My mom saw this in the box when I like checked to see like what was inside, and she was like, "Are you gonna give that to me?" And I was like, no, I'm probably gonna keep it. This is the Murad Hydro Dynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. So it's an eye cream. This retails for $70. It says deeply quench the delicate eye area with this nourishing cream, hyaluronic acid and algae extracts to seal in moisture, helping to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and restore smoothness. Gentle enough for sensitive skin. So I'm always on the hunt for an eye cream. So I'm really excited for this, especially a hydrating one because my under eyes are very dry. So I'm going to try some of this out. Oh, it feels very soft. Doesn't really have a scent. Just apply this. Feels really nice. It feels really silky under the eyes. Very hydrating. I'm excited to keep using this. If I do end up really liking it, I'm sure I'll talk about it more. But I'm excited to see Murad in the box. That's really, really cool because Murad's not cheap. So lips are getting swollen, I can see. It's because I'm stressing out. Let's just cover this redness up with some concealer. When I stress, my lips get swollen. So lips get swollen with everything, dude. So this is the Boxycharm Hello Charmer palette. So this is just a palette by Boxycharm. So that's, I'm intrigued. I'm interested. It's actually a pretty large palette. It says that this retails for $39. I don't know how, I mean, I guess, are they like selling this by itself? I don't know. This is what the palette looks like. You open it up and this is the inside. Really pretty colors. I'm trying to like show this in a way where I'm not like blinding you. There we go. Kind of like that. Can you see? This like one shade down here is so pretty. It's like a duochrome glitter of like peach and green. Really, really pretty. All of the shimmers look really nice. I really want to use that on my eyes though. So it says that this features a blend of 12 matte and shimmery shades made specifically with our charmers in mind. These highly pigmented colors deliver maximum payoff while providing smooth textures for transitional day to night looks. I'm gonna prime my eyes really quick and we'll come back and I'll use the palette. Okay, so I went ahead and just primed my eyes. So I'm gonna go into the palette. I'm gonna start off with the shade Boiler. It's this shade right here. These are very dusty. Okay, it's really pigmented actually. Yeah, it's actually, oh, well, I guess it looks pretty yellow. And I was gonna say it looks more yellow on my eye, but it looks pretty yellow in the pan. Okay, that blended out like super easy. And it is pretty pigmented, like straight away. They're just really dusty, so just keep that in mind. Like, I don't really mind that because I find that sometimes shadows like that blend easier. I don't know if it's because they're so soft or what, but sometimes they blend easier when they are a little dusty. I don't mean like dusty ashy, I mean like just like it's very like when you tap your brush into it, a lot of product flies up. The only bad thing about that is that I feel like you kind of might go through the product a little bit faster, like you might hit pan a little bit faster on shades like that. Go into Cup of Joe shade right here. It's just like a brown color. I'm gonna take a little bit of a smaller brush. I'm just gonna put that on the outer part. These shadows are really pigmented. I'm honestly pretty surprised. They're blending out really nicely too. It doesn't seem as dusty and like has a lot of kickback as much as the other one does. Like there's not really much coming up on this shade. I'm honestly pretty surprised. These shadows are like blending out really nicely. Not that I didn't like think that it wouldn't be good, but I didn't really have like a lot of expectations. I don't know. When brands come out, like especially things like this, like come out with like their own palettes and stuff, I'm like, will it be good? I don't know. One that's like that shade that I'm talking about, it's called Swipe Up. It's kind of like a pressed glitter. Now that I like kind of swatch it, I don't know if I like it that much. It's pretty. I just don't know if it's gonna go with this look. Take Unboxing. How cute. This shade is called Unboxing. It's like a reddish shade. And take a little bit of that one as well. Kind of just doing the same thing, just taking it a little bit lower. I feel like this shade isn't as pigmented as the other ones. Like the other ones I had pigment kind of like right away. They blended out really easily. This one, it's pigmented, but it's not as pigmented as it looks in the pan. I'm gonna blend that shade out with Cup of Joe. You can kind of see like the shadows are kind of getting a little everywhere, but I don't really mind that because I do my eyes first, so it's not a big deal. But if you were like to do your face first, I would feel like then it would be a little bit of a big deal. Ooh, Sneak Peek is a really pretty like bronzy gold. And then Exclusive, ooh, that's really pretty too. And then Pop Up, ooh, that's really pretty. That's like a really pretty inner corner highlight. Let's see, Luxe is a really pretty, ooh, you know what, that's honestly really pretty. I don't usually go for like golds that are like really yellow like that. This blue is so pretty. It's like a blue with a little bit of purple in it, which that's my favorite color combo, blue and purple. It doesn't really go with the look, but like I feel like I could kind of make it work. I'm gonna use it because it's really pretty. Whatever. If it looks like shit, whatever. Okay. It's a really weird texture. It doesn't feel like, you know, like the pressed glitters that like you see in like ColourPop or like anyone that has those kind of like pressed glitters. I don't really know what this formula feels like. This is so pretty. I wonder if this would make a difference wet. I'm gonna go into it with a wet brush, some of my Urban Decay setting spray. It's definitely more intense once it's wet, but even dry it, I mean, it looked fine too. Mix Unboxing and Cup of Joe just to kind of create like an outer corner shade. I wish there was like a darker brown in here. I feel like the palette could really benefit from that. I'm gonna go into the ColourPop Nude Mood palette. Dude, I look like a mess. I look like I got punched in the face right now. I didn't even realize like how much fallout there was right now. But I'm gonna go into Nude Mood. I'm taking Moody. It's the dark brown in here. And I'm just gonna put that on this outer corner because I feel like it just needs to be like a dark brown over here. Like that looks a lot better now. I'm gonna go ahead and do this eye really quick, and I'm gonna clean this up because this is a mess. But I'll come back and we'll finish off the lower lash line and stuff. So I went ahead and just finished up the rest of my face. I feel like I kind of went a little heavy with the bronzer. It's fine, whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and just finish the lower lash line really quick. I'm actually gonna just take whatever was left on my brush when I was putting that darker brown on my outer corner and just use that. Yeah, that works. And for my inner corner, I'm going to take the shade Pop Up, which is this shade right here. It's like a really pretty champagne. I'm going to just use that on my inner corner. Ooh, I love that. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I don't know how many times I can say it, but a bright inner corner literally just makes me so happy. Okay, I will be back. We have one more product left. I'm just going to put lashes on, so BRB. Go ahead and put lashes on again. These are the same ones I wore in my last video. These are the JCat ELT 43 lashes. They're really pretty and are really comfortable to wear. Like I wore them all day the other day and they were really nice. So I like these ones a lot and they're super cheap. They're like $4.50 at Ulta. I will link them down below. Last product, this is the Becca Glow Gloss. I think we've definitely gotten the Glow Gloss before. Oh my god, my eyelash is literally coming off. I like was too lazy to wait for the glue to dry. Oh, I'm a mess. So I think we've definitely gotten the Becca Glow Gloss before, but this is just a different color. This is the shade Rose Gold, and this is so pretty. So I'm gonna just put on some lip liner. I'm taking my good old Alamad Dulce lip liner because it's my favorite. I'm gonna take the gloss. Like I said, this is the shade Rose Gold. Such a pretty color. Ooh, okay. Smells a little minty. Is this plumping? Oh god, please don't say it's plumping. It says it's a conditioning lip color that combines the shine of a gloss and a nourishing benefit of a balm. So it's not plumping, but it smells like minty, so I got a little scared. I really like the color of this gloss. It's so pretty. Darker brown nude, but I feel like it goes really good with this eye look. So let me dust off this powder really quick. Really good. It doesn't feel like sticky or anything either. I like that. Okay, let me give you guys my thoughts on this month's box. So actually, let me add it up first. Let me add everything up, and I'll add in the Pharmacy Melting Balm. That way, because like mine has the KVD eyeliner on here, and I'm like, that's definitely not it. So, holy crap, you guys. Okay, so this month's box was worth $181. Is that the most expensive one we've had in a while? If not one of the most expensive ones? I don't know, but that is such a good deal. I really liked this box. This box definitely redeemed itself from the last couple boxes because the last ones I just was like not feeling. It was not it for me. I really liked everything in this box. I liked the palette. I definitely think it could have used a darker brown in here, but overall I really liked it. This blue color is really pretty. Those like I don't know what they technically are supposed, like what are they? What are these shadows? Shimmery, they're like shimmery, glittery, I don't know, but they're really pretty. I love the formula of them. I really liked everything in the palette. I think it's really pretty. I could definitely actually see myself reaching for this because I really liked the shimmers in here. The mattes were okay. I mean, like, they weren't bad, but I can definitely see myself reaching for the shimmers. I love that inner corner highlight. This gloss is beautiful. I love the way it, like, I love the color of it. I love the way it feels. It's not sticky or anything at all. Super excited to see this in the box. I love this so much. I literally swear by this. This is like my holy grail makeup cleansing balm, so I was super happy to see this in the box. A Murad eye cream, yes, I will take it. I love skincare. Murad is really good. My mom's used Murad for years, so I was excited to get this, and it's really pricey, $70. I'll take it. And even though that this wasn't like a super huge thing, like this little sponge gel thing, I have used them before and I do like them, so it's just a nice little thing to add in the box. It's not something that I probably would buy, but it's nice to get in the box. So I'm really happy with this month's box. I definitely think that this one is the best one we've gotten in a while because the last ones have just kind of been a little boring, a little not that great. So this month's was really good. I'm really happy about that. Everything in here was really good, or at least the products that I got, I was super, super happy with. So leave me a comment down below what products you guys got in your box this month. Did you guys get the same thing as me? Did you guys get anything different? Let me know in the comments down below. We can just chat down there. If you guys want to sign up for Boxycharm yourself, I will leave a link down below if you guys want to sign up. It is an affiliate link, so I do get a small commission from it. If you guys don't want to use the affiliate link, you don't have to. You can just go to boxycharm.com. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.